crafters, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making a Peep bouquet. Now let's get to it!
The materials you'll need for this craft are 5 bunny peeps, some Easter grass or basket filler, a small vase, 5 sticks, and some ribbon. First thing we're going to do is take our Easter grass and we're going to put that into our vase. And you can use any size that you want. I'm choosing this. A little taller is better, so you can use some taller sticks. And we put that in there, and then we're going to take our sticks and take our peeps, and for each one you're just going to kind of gently rotate the stick as you put it into the peep. And I'm using wooden skewers. We're just going to go ahead and do that for all 5 of these, just turning as I put them in. And like I said, I'm using wooden skewers. If you don't have those, you can try popsicle sticks or lollipop sticks. So I'm just going to do all 5 of these. And then I do want to do, I'm going to make some taller than others. So what I'm going to do for mine is cut off a few of them, and I can just break these just so I can have different heights. And then I'm just going to stick them in the jar. And I'll use a few taller ones and a few shorter ones. Just break the sticks off. Looks nicer if you have varying heights. Break that off. Let's stick that in. And put put the taller ones in the back and the shorter ones in the front. And just kind of twist them to set them down in there so that you don't lose all your basket, your grass, your Easter grass. And then we're just going to take our ribbon, and you just need to cut a piece that's going to fit your vase. And I'm just going to tie it once like this, pull it tight. And my ribbon I like the wired edges, so that way I can kind of form it. When I just tie it once, I can form it to make it look more like a bow.
I hope you had fun creating your own Peep bouquet. You can use this as a decoration on your Easter table. If you like this video, please consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel. Thanks, Crazy Crafters, for tuning in. We'll hope to see you next time. Bye!